Hi, I'm Digidoly, the developer of UV Insight. 3D games, VR, AR, virtual avatars, 3D animation. When creating any kind of 3D content, optimization is essential. It directly affects FPS, rendering performance, and load times. As 3D artists, there are two major optimization areas we always need to keep in mind: texture count and resolution, and mesh vertex count. Here's the key point. The vertex count that actually impacts the game engine is not the number you see in Blender statistics. Blender might show 500, but the game engine could end up with 700. The engine is processing 700 vertices, not 500. And to find out that real vertex count, you had to finish all your modeling and UV work, export to the game engine, import it, and only then could you check. UV Insight changes that workflow. You can predict game engine vertex counts right from the UV editing stage in Blender and instantly verify them with actual values through Unity synchronization. Let me show you. Here are two Suzanne meshes, Blender's default monkey head. Looking at the statistics, both are identical: 968 triangles, 507 vertices. But switch to UV editing and you'll see the difference. Suzanne 00 has UVs that are unnecessarily fragmented, while Suzanne 01 is cleanly optimized. Let's check UV Insight. Suzanne 01 shows a Blender value of 555 and a Unity value of 555. Suzanne 00 shows a Blender value of 708 and a Unity value of 708. Now let's verify in Unity. Suzanne 00 has 708 vertices. Suzanne 01 has 555 vertices, exactly matching the numbers UV Insight displayed. With UV Insight, you no longer need to go back and forth to the game engine just to check vertex counts. You can monitor game engine vertices right from the UV editing stage and optimize as you work. In the following videos, I'll walk you through Unity integration and how to use UV Insight in detail. Thanks for watching.